So every week I'm just kind of trying to purchase just a couple tools so that I'm not blowing the bank account. So this week I'm getting another water can, which I needed up there because we're going through the water pretty quick, and we haven't got a pump set up yet to take it out of the lake and filter it. I'm going to need this tamper. I was using a sledgehammer before, but I'm going to be doing lots of footings and stuff like that. So having a tamper up there, just a hand tamp, and I'm just kind of perusing the aisles here at Princess Auto to find a few other kind of useful tools that I'm going to take up there. Alright, I just picked up a pretty sizable load of timber. Now it's time to get this thing out to the property. Load number 2, we got a bunch of 8x8, 4x4, and 4x8. It's got to go onto the boat down there and then out to the cabin. Well, the property.
All right, so here's a tip for you lazy builders here who don't want to haul a transit out into the bush, you know, site level with big tripod and all that sort of stuff. Bring a laser level. They do not work in daylight. You can't see them outside in broad daylight, but if you wait until the sun goes down, you just shoot that laser around, and I know exactly where to cut all my posts now. So I just have to make those marks, cut them, and then I just build my deck right on top of that, and I'll know it's dead level. Man, these laser levels are so handy.
So hot. Must go swimming. So, as many of you know, the off-grid life is pretty hard, but it's a good kind of hard. My little log brace thing here has been working out really well. The boat hasn't floated away, hasn't smashed up against the rocks, so it's serving its purpose. But I broke a few legs just from all the movement, flexing of the smaller lag bolts. They've been breaking, so I'm putting these big 5/8 12-inch carriage bolts through both logs and removing the smaller legs. I'm hoping that'll give her some more life. But I need to get this dock built real quick here, because I don't know how much longer this little log thing's gonna last, but these carriage bolts should help. So I'm just learning lots of lessons here. Many of you guys already know this, but what I've found after my 37 years, which isn't that long, is that the North American lie of convenience and comfort, that, you know, that's what we should strive for in our life, you know, to have an easy life, to not have to work hard. It's actually not rewarding. Why do you think we have all these mental health epidemics and drug epidemics? Because life's not hard anymore. When life is hard, you have purpose, and there's a reason why you're working. It's to survive, and some of you are still
experiencing that, and that's why most of hardworking people don't really have the same mental health issues and drug addiction issues. It's not always the case, but I found that my mind is clearer than it's ever been. I have less stress and worry, and the moment I get on this boat and come out here to work, I just could not be happier. So many things in my life have, you get your high hopes and expectations up, and then when you achieve whatever goal, it doesn't satisfy. You kind of go, oh, that wasn't what I expected it to be. I'll have to say that this off-grid experience so far, even though it's been a lot harder than I thought it would be, and I wasn't trying to fool myself when I started, it's more than what I expected it to be, in a good way. Like, I feel like I found myself out here. I've always found myself in nature, but having this little slice of paradise to come and work and make my own, I can't even explain in words how amazing it feels. So if you guys are thinking about pulling the trigger on something like this, don't underestimate how much work it's going to be, but don't underestimate yourself and the reserves that you'll be able to tap into when you really experience, I don't know, it's like God out here. This is to me is fellowship with the Creator. And I just feel like I belong. This is where I belong.